Hi, Mark the Do Something Guy here, and I am 1,000 miles and 24 hours away from home. I'm here at Becker's Lodge in British Columbia, and I am getting ready for a canoe trip. This is how I got there. We're about halfway through our drive, not quite. We are stopped at the Grand Coulee Dam here and just checking it out. It's pretty darn cool. Been a good drive so far, but it was a nice time to stop and stretch the legs.
An elaborate network of dams, water from the Columbia rushes down thousands of miles of man-made canals and ditches.
Get your hands off of me, you filthy animal. To Canada. I'll see how long it takes us to get through the border. We're waiting to get through the border.
Hurry up. Stop! Don't do that to me. Stop. It's not funny.
Got her, got her. They let us through the border. Now we can go fast in town. We can do 70K. We're sitting at 100.
Zillion of these little lakes, probably all got little trout this big in them.
Welcome to the Trans-Canadian Highway.
Kamloops Lake.
Morning. We drove until about 1:30 in the morning, and then we just kind of pulled over here in this white spot here. Now pulled over, got a little bit of shut-eye, and now we're ready to mosey on down the road. About an hour and a half from Canoe and 2.5 from Barkerville. We made it to Canoe, found ice cream, some information on the fishing. Now we're headed.
I think we're gonna go there.
Got the Fraser River over here. About the size of the Snake River, but moving faster. Turn left there, go to Bowron Lakes, go straight to Barkerville. We made it to Barkerville. Barkersville is a pretty cool place. It used to be an old gold mine settlement here, and apparently in its heyday this was the biggest city north of Seattle and west of Chicago or Denver. Huge mining city here.
Mama, walk in his bed with your
Like Honorable Judge Bush.
Yes, yes. And some people have apparently been disparaging my name, so if you and imitating. I know.
I heard of some good-looking guy, though.
Yeah. The first who imitated you? Yeah, I'm sure I do better.
It's snowing. Newspaper. Wake up, Jake. Sometimes she's gonna make her own fly sauce. Well, that was Barkerville. It was really cool to go walk through, see old mining town, and see it as well restored as this. I've been to quite a few ghost towns and mining towns in my life, but this is definitely one of the best ones. Really well taken care of and really cool. Highly recommend coming up here if you ever get a chance or you're ever in the area. Stop in, see Barkerville. I'll see you bright and early tomorrow as we get ready to get on the water.